Didn't fucking flinch. I'd brush my hair.
You could have, but you didn't. You plugged the goggles.
Oh.
Right. Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Bash, and this is my girlfriend Jenna. Today, we're going to teach Jenna how to fly a drone, specifically a Meteor 75. Jenna, have you ever flown a drone before?
No, I haven't.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, well, first things first, we're going to make sure that the drone is on the right channel for the goggles. So if you want to plug those in for me.
To where?
It's going to take some time. Holy shit, she does mean business.
Oh my god, how big is your head?
Nothing in front of you yet, don't worry.
No, I know, it's just a bit weird.
It's a bit weird, I know.
Seriously, how big is your head?
I've got quite a big head. So, the controller in front of you, you're going to need to know two things. Those two thumbsticks. Hang on.
Ooh, did I just do that?
No, I'm picking you up. I picked you up. So,
Shit myself.
left thumbstick does throttle, so it's basically up and down.
Yeah.
And it also does yaw, which is this motion.
What's that?
What is what?
White dot.
Black dot.
There.
Where?
There.
There.
Oh, it's the sun. It's the sun.
It's the sun. Yaw is this. That is all done by the left thumbstick. Your right thumbstick does pitch and roll. So pitch is going forwards like this,
Right.
and backwards, and then roll is left and right.
So to go forwards, I have to be going up and...
That's it. So you have to
Leaning
accelerate
forwards.
and lean forwards at the same time. To turn, you want to sort of yaw and roll at the same time. And that'll give you that swooping aeroplane style. You're going to arm the drone. That switch, yep. So flick it up and your motors will start spinning.
Ooh.
You're going to apply a little bit of throttle. Hit.
Oh my god. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing
throttle
that?
down,
I
throttle
have
down,
got this
throttle
up
down.
as well.
Okay.
Oh shit.
There you go, lovely. Okay, so you are now in the air. So pitching forwards, that'll cause you to move, and then you can do left and right.
Oh my god, I'm really high. There's some wires.
Disarm, 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 disarm.
It's falling. I fell quite far.
You
then.
did fell quite far there, yes you did. Okay, no worries. Let me go and grab you again.
Well, I think that went well.
You took off.
Yeah, I did a thing.
We're learning, so if you want to arm again, keep you still.
It's quite hard to stand still.
It is. You're gonna hit a tree.
Uh-oh. I like this button. This button.
That is a good button.
Why did it go?
Disarm. Nice. So try not to hit the dog.
Oh my god, dog. Woo!
Tree.
That did not sound grand.
That wasn't a great landing, I'll be honest.
If I break this, it's not my fault. Disclaimer.
Okay, good to know.
I'm gonna try and stand stiller because I'm like...
To be fair, a lot of people can't stand up and fly. Most people do sit down. No, I'd say stay up. There's a tree, it's fine. I want to make sure that you're not at a massive disadvantage.
I think the answer is probably no. I'm just shit.
Am I landing on you?
Yeah. Teamwork.
Teamwork. Technical stuff that I'm sure you're very interested in.
So interested. So
But-
enthralled.
So you're just going to have to sort of deal with the fact it's going slightly to the left. What I would do, just compensate by holding it slightly like that. To hit the camera. Whoa.
Oh, I did a
You did a thing. You definitely did a thing. Now don't lose it just yet. Bit more throttle, bit less throttle, bit more throttle. Right, forwards.
Oh.
Yes, that's it. Awesome. Okay, so pitch and roll. You're going
Very high. Very high. Oh, tree.
Whoa.
Whoa. I am deep within foliage here.
No, you're not actually that bad. Does it look bad?
Oh yeah. Looks like I've entered Borneo. I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, I figured it'd be better this way. So trying just to sort of stick round where the trampoline is.
Why am I so hot? Oh bloody hell, it's shaking a lot.
Yeah, that's called prop wash.
Why is it doing that?
Because you're dropping height and then adding throttle.
Oh.
You're doing well.
Whoa, why? I did nothing wrong. What the fuck? I did nothing wrong.
I don't know why that happened. You were the right way.
This shit.
the controller's out of battery.
Oh.
So we'll be right back. And we're back. So if I'll give you right, let's see how much muscle memory you've lost after those 5 minutes of charging. I have sort of...
Whoa,
Whoa,
whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Well, that was quick.
I'm in a hedge.
You're fully in a hedge. Not only deep, you're quite high up. Right, come with me. You see that? You're up there. Not that there's a risk of getting stuck in a tree or anything. So we've come to an open field. No, I can't see you because there's the sun there. So, there you are. Awesome. That's much better.
See, it's better when I just don't have anything to crash into.
Well, perhaps that and the fact that you're sitting down, that may help.
I'm doing good, aren't I?
You're doing well. Ooh. Nice. Lovely. Well held. You got this.
Yay! Did you see that?
Nice.
Aww.
You were close.
That was close.
That was close. You did really well. Try it again.
Okay.
Lining yourself up. Don't have to go quick. Just nice and steady. Depending if you want. If you come land, you can put yourself out. Nice. Did you go through that?
Yeah.
Nice.
At speed as well. Huh?
Yeah. Try and line yourself up and do it again. Ooh, nice low pass.
Thanks.
I thought you were going to hit yourself square in the face. Huh? Oh. Oh. I'm so hot for you right now. Oh man, that was low. That was low. I bet you can't hit.
Don't even
Try it. Try it. Genuinely try to hit me.
Why? It'll
Oh, I'm
hurt.
intrigued. It won't hurt. It's a tiny whoop. Yeah, you're going to get that much of a run up.
Ow! Damn! Yeah, it didn't hurt, you're right.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I'm loving the run up you get. Oh yeah, that'll work. Oh!
Did that hurt?
No, but well done.
Thank you.
Really holding ass.
Is that bad?
No, not at all.
Didn't fucking flinch.
Oh, this on. Well done.
High five.
That was self-level mode. I'd say not easy mode, but easy mode. So next week, I reckon we put you on acro mode. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to start a conversation, leave a comment, and we'll see you soon. Bye.